The new F-21 heavyweight torpedo comes as a technological breakthrough to replace its predecessor, the F-17, with far superior performance. The development of the F-21 is part of the Artemis program managed by the French Defense Procurement Agency DGA, where the torpedo is designed to be adaptable to future needs. Upgrading the F-17 was not enough, so the naval group, with more than 100 years of experience in torpedoes, was involved in the development of this new generation of torpedoes since 2007. The F-21 became one of the best torpedoes in the world, with outstanding detection capability, speed, and endurance. Its advanced systems allow it to operate reliably in complex environments, as well as providing a tactical advantage against modern marine threats from both ships and submarines. Antoine Kaufmann, operational marketing manager of the Naval Group in Saint-Tropez, stated, "The F-21 is ideal for coastal conflict theaters, and its capability for long-range combat is further strengthened by sensors synchronized with submarines." The F-21 has met the operational standards for the various classes of French submarines, both SSNs, nuclear attack submarines, and SSBNs, nuclear ballistic missile submarines, and was also selected by Brazil to equip 4 Scorpène submarines. According to Loïc de Montsabert, head of the development department at Saint-Tropez, the F-21's advantages lie in 3 main aspects: reliability, robustness, and lethality. More than 100 sea trials have strengthened the torpedo's performance and optimized its reliability. The F-21 also features high cybersecurity standards that protect the system from digital attacks and advanced acoustic technology that makes it difficult to detect. Its intelligence allows it to evade enemy defense tactics, and its endurance enables long missions where multiple targets can be destroyed. The F-21 is now at a stage of maturity and is ready for the future with the potential for further enhancements to be delivered at the upcoming Euronaval event. In addition to its battlefield sophistication, the F-21 is also designed to be compatible with various types of submarines. The Naval Group offers these torpedoes as part of the base package for the submarine fleets they produce, but they can be easily integrated into submarines from other countries, even in upgrade and modification scenarios of existing fleets. According to Loïc de Montsabert, the toughness aspect of the F-21 torpedo is an outstanding feature that is highly relied upon. Its cybersecurity system, equipped with the highest standards of protection, guarantees the system remains safe from potential digital threats that could alter the torpedo's course or mission. This ensures the torpedo stays on course until the target is reached without external interference. In addition, its highly advanced acoustic design helps the F-21 remain hidden until it approaches its target, making it almost impossible for the enemy to detect. The operational intelligence integrated in the F-21 systems is also capable of recognizing and adjusting to anti-torpedo tactics, making it a lethal weapon that is difficult to evade. The torpedo's lethality is further enhanced by its high maneuverability and long mission endurance. With exceptional range, the F-21 is capable of reaching long-range targets with great accuracy and staying afloat in protracted missions. Even in situations where the first strike is unsuccessful, the F-21 has the intelligence and endurance to reset and continue additional strikes, ensuring the target is eventually destroyed. The F-21 has now reached a mature point in its development, but the Naval Group continues to prepare it for future challenges. At the upcoming Euronaval event, the Naval Group will emphasize the flexibility and continuous improvement capabilities of the F-21. underscoring their commitment to the development of sea defense technologies that are always ready for the changing battlefield conditions and operational demands of the future. As part of modern defense innovation, the Naval Group focuses not only on technical performance, but also on developing torpedoes that can adapt to new needs and demands in the future. With its modular capabilities, the F-21 is designed to accept software updates and hardware customizations that allow the system to remain relevant amidst the rapid changes in military technology. This technology also eases the integration of weapons with different platforms, creating a flexible solution ready to meet diverse operational needs. The F-21's customizable capabilities are a major attraction for international navies that require long-term solutions. Brazil, for example, has chosen the F-21 to arm 4 of its Scorpène submarines, a decision that demonstrates international confidence in the torpedo's capability and durability in complex combat situations. The system's reliability is also backed by the extensive testing technology it has undergone, with more than 100 sea trials helping the Naval Group ensure that the F-21 is capable of withstanding the most demanding operational conditions. The F-21 not only focuses on military and technical aspects, but also strives to reduce the environmental impact caused by its operation. The Naval Group has taken sustainability into account by designing this torpedo to be environmentally friendly, using materials and technologies that minimize ecological impact throughout its production, operation, and disposal. This is an important step given the increasing global attention to environmental issues in military technology development. The F-21 also stands out with its versatility in meeting the challenges of the evolving naval battlefield. With increasing threats from increasingly sophisticated submarines and surface ships, and the changing dynamics of operations in littoral areas, the ability to adapt and enhance operational capabilities is critical. The F-21 is capable of operating in a wide range of sea conditions in both shallow and deep water, and can be armed with the latest technologies that strengthen effectiveness in a variety of scenarios.